Hi everyone, Christina here. Today we're going to be creating a mask that includes two of my absolute favorite ingredients, avocados and yogurt. Avocados are wonderful for your skin and very nourishing due to the high fat content. Yogurt is also very nourishing due to its probiotics and lactic acid. This mask is perfect for someone with sensitive skin or if you have a sunburn. So let me show you how to make it. So what you're going to need for this mask is simple. An avocado, a spoon, a mixer, and a knife to cut your avocado, and of course, our glass bowl for mixing. Now, I found this in my kitchen to use. Feel free to use a mixing bowl or cereal bowl for your use. Okay, so first things first. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of the plain yogurt and place it into my bowl like so. Next up, I'm going to be using an avocado, and I only need about half of it. So we're going to cut right down the middle into the avocado. This is the easiest way to actually slice an avocado, instead of going the other way or peeling it simply. All right. So we're just going to twist and open it up. Now, this is about a day or 2 old ripe avocado. Not really the best for eating, but perfect for making a mask. So next, we're going to actually make vertical lines into the avocado. And then make lines the other way with your knife. This creates small chunks, so it's a little easier to blend the mask into the yogurt. Just simply squeeze on the skin and let all of the material from the avocado fall into your bowl. Great. So now we're going to take our mixer and simply mix everything together. Your final result should be a nice gummy, tacky sort of paste. And you're going to blend this through for about a minute until you get all the materials mixed. It should look something like this when you're finished. Simply apply this mask to a clean face for about 10 minutes, avoiding the eye and lip area. When you're done, just rinse with a warm washcloth and moisturize as usual. It will reveal beautiful, glowing, and very hydrated skin. This is Christina signing off. Thank you for watching.